Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is October the 25th on a Wednesday. SPY with a couple of weak attempts to bounce. I say weak because just not a whole lot of oomph behind the move, and we are gapping down, back down today below the 200-day moving average. We'll see what happens. It is earnings season, and I'm going to be focused on stocks that have earnings over the next several weeks. So. I mentioned Netflix yesterday. I did buy it yesterday, and it continues to be on my watch list today because it's kind of in this area where there's no resistance up until this next bar around 435. So keep an eye on Netflix for a continuation move there. A couple of stocks with earnings last night, they are gapping to all-time highs, or at least yearly highs here. And this LRN gapping up above the 4640 level. You might want to keep an eye on that to see if it's going to be kind of an explosive gap and go. Another one would be VRT, same kind of situation here, gapping above, 52-week high and possibly all-time high. I'm not sure. I didn't go back and look at the data, but very impressive there on those gap ups in those two. Snap, over the last several years, this thing seems like it's been having earnings and getting crushed on earnings. Well, not the case today. It's actually gapping up a little bit. We'll see how it trades, but above this, say, call it the 1050 level, could get going for a nice swing trade. And let's see, let's find one more. SWN, it's been ugly for a very long time. Well, it had a nice volume bar on this day, and it's pulled back to its 10-period moving average and holding this level. So I'm going to be looking for a break above that 2-day high there in SWN. Got a price alert set in it. That's it for today, guys. There's some more on the list there. If you have trade ideas, have a great one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.